has been an increase in the amount of foodborne diseases due to the amount of imported foods that Americans eat. The foods imported from China are the ones that have attracted most of the criticism. They don't have as many food safety standards as we do in the U.S. The list of foods that can be unsafe is quite large and includes vegetables, seafood, and much more. Here is a detailed list of all the foods you should avoid from China. Garlic. There is a 40% chance that the garlic you have in your kitchen is Chinese and is cultivated in a very unhealthy way. Chinese garlic can be distinguished by its metallic bitterness and its lack of a root and stem. Rice. Have you ever cooked rice and noticed that it stayed hard? Chances are you ate imported fake rice. It may be made of tree sap and other food items and is highly dangerous. Green peas. Certain dyes and preservatives have been banned in America, but in China they're still used, and green peas are one of the most contaminated ingredients. Be on the lookout for green pea substitutes that are marketed as green peas. They may be cancerous or cause your calcium levels to become depleted. Mushrooms. If the mushrooms are not fresh, but instead preserved, then chances are they've also been imported and there's no way to know whether or not they're healthy or grown in harmful environments. Apple juice. Over half of the apple juice found in grocery stores around our country have pesticides and other dangerous chemicals in them due to the relaxed food safety laws in China. Whenever possible, buy apple juice that is advertised as being local, or even better, make your own. Fish. The waters in China are extremely polluted, which means we should avoid anything that comes out of them. The diet of fish bred in China is also unknown. Most of the cod and tilapia in the USA comes from China. Chicken. Just like with the fish, pollution, diseases, and eating habits can make any imported poultry a problem. Salt. Salt in itself isn't very healthy for us, but industrialized salt has even more side effects and negative aspects than any other kind. Basically, anytime you buy food, make sure you're buying organic, homegrown foods. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.